one of the ladies, she came to the door and she wanted to greet me, and she said, "That was the fastest DoorDash I've ever gotten. Thank you so much." For the kids, man, you got to. You always got to. Audio douche. Thanks, buddy. Premium. Just, my heart. Holy shit, there's a knife. Oh my gosh. Okay, perfect. A fucking knife! Are you shitting me? Guys, what is wrong with people? There's a fucking butter knife. I just saved somebody a flat tire. You're welcome. Come on, baby. Find me some offers. Trying to make some money. You send it? Yeah, boy. Why is it not giving me directions though? Just out here doing God's work, man. It says no parking, but we'll be okay. Do you have an order for Haley E? Is the drink in here? Okay, perfect. Thank you. Haley, your order is on the way by the coolest DoorDasher in the Kansas City metropolitan area. It says I'm speeding. Oh boy. Is DoorDash gonna shut me down? Is DoorDash gonna shut me down, guys? For getting deliveries extremely fast? Why would they be upset? Haley, I'm trying. See, no harm, no foul. I ain't mad at that guy. He wasn't able to see me. It's not a big deal. You just have to ride in a way that they, ride in a looks like a storm, and that does not look fun. So let's avoid going more that area. If I wasn't DoorDash, and I would check on that guy. Maybe we'll try to swing back through this way. Hardy. Your package and your food. Have a good one. Bag's open. I guess it don't matter. Ride safe. Even though you're on a scooter, I still want you to ride safe. Bitch, I'm here. Alright, well, I guess I'll cut this off.
One eternity later.
Alright, we got an order. I'm pretty sure that one's for me.
Alright, give me the money!
Perfect, thank you. Hey, be safe, man. Thank you. Is there sauce? Here you go. Some hot, a few fires, and a few milds. Hi, Katie. Hi, little baby. Have a good one. Enjoy your meal. Ooh, it's got a drink. We got this. We got this. We were prepared. Awesome. Thank you. The ultimate test. I hope this works. Reese, if it doesn't, I'm really sorry.
First time.
Drink successfully dashed. Oh, sorry. Hey, have a good one, man. Enjoy your meal. Hi. I'm door dashing, and you're live. I mean, I say you're live because it's gonna go in a video. So, yeah. I've done my third dash, and I just did one that had a drink, and I was really scared, but my little rigged up setup fucking worked perfectly. It was fun, dude. It was, DoorDash yelled at me because I was going too fast. It said, yeah, I just kept going. I was like, what are you gonna do? I was like, you gotta be mad because I got your order really fucking fast? Get the fuck out of here. But yeah, sorry I keep missing your call. What's up, dude? All right, well, I'm about to pull up into this Jay's Chicken and pick up somebody's order. I bet my old lady would like this place. Nesh, your food is on the way. Sometime. This is for Nesh?
Okay, thank you.
And then, okay, perfect. Thank you.
Have a story.
What's that?
Story.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, you have a good one.
You too. Sorry. I guess that other, yeah, they just threw that other one on me. For Jean? Jean, yeah. Thank you. No, it's okay. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
They missed something.
Jean? Is it that the price?
Yeah, the price.
Okay. Good now.
They forgot to keep it.
Okay. Thank you. Gene, I don't know how you got priority, but that's out of my pay range. Man, so that was unfortunate, guys. The battery died. I got the two orders delivered, obviously, and oh, we got another one coming. But I got those 2 deliveries done. Really cool. And one of the ladies, she came to the door and she wanted to greet me, and she said, "That was the fastest DoorDash I've ever gotten. Thank you so much." And I really wish that it was still recording, because that would have been great content. But what are you gonna do? Guess you guys just have to take my word if you believe me. But it really did happen, I promise. And this guy, I guess, is some super busy guy. I just pulled over here to just take a little break, and like 3 cars have pulled up, and they're like, "Hey, is he here?" So I have no idea. But yeah, we're having fun. We're getting people their food. We're getting to ride. What's better? By the way, you guys like my flag? Harley Davidson DoorDash. Yes, we'll take the McDonald's. Did I park somewhere wrong?
No.
Oh, okay.
For DoorDashers.
Well, I am door dashing.
Oh, okay. No, you parked in the right spot.
Okay.
What's the last 3?
A42. Thank you so much. Hi, puppies. Hi, puppies. Sorry I'm disturbing your area. I'll be gone in just a moment. You guys gotta excuse my fat boy moments. Perfect. Thank you. Enjoy your food. Well, I will. Some people are weird. It's like, do not see me, I am a gremlin. I don't want you to see my McDonald's. I ordered more. So I don't care, man. You should see some of the shit I've ordered. That's what I'm here for, guys. Order a punch. DoorDash. Order so you can put me to work, guys. Oh, look at that. Oh man, that's so cool. I like that. I like that. That's very nice. That's cool as shit. No thanks. I don't want your $2. That order's gonna sit and sit and sit. Unless I can get it on a double, I'm not taking it. Sorry. I'm not sorry.
It's been 84 years.
Oh, my boy. Oh my God. The things you get to see while you're door dashing.